Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Vibe Nation and welcome back for another great video. Today we're here to watch 15 plus Floridians who fought Hurricane Irma with a sense of humor and won the internet. Now, this hits home to me because, well, I live in Florida and that I also had to go through Hurricane Irma as well. Only for it to be not as bad, but though I will say that my heart goes out to the people in Key West who also bear the brunt of Irma's wrath. But without further ado, let's get into this video. I'm really want to see how people, because some people they make light of these kinds of situations. And I really want to see how they made light of this. I mean, I've already been on iFunny enough to see all the memes people made about this this storm. But this video should be very entertaining. If you want to watch the original video, I'll leave the link down in the description down below. And to the people who want to see the video in person, please like, share, and subscribe. It is by Funny Life. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. And let's go ahead and get into this in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay, let's read what this says. Look, Irma brought me a present. Take note that I do not own a trampoline. It just blew into my backyard. Yo, that's a win. Free trampoline. Thank you, Irma. Okay, Pokemon Go to try to murder people. Emergency alert. Hurricane is in the area. Check local authorities. Check local authorities. Different Pokemon might be appearing in parks around you. It is a great time to explore your local parks. Nope. Oh god. Oh. Couldn't come in the wrong time, Pokemon Go. Comic relief in my hometown. Panhandle management, Niceville pack and ship, pet and horse supply. We are open until the letters fly off this sign. Oh my gosh, that's terrible. You can't let people just work through a hurricane. That's why I'm glad I work at a dealership. That's just messed up. The news. If you're in an evacuation zone, please leave, Floridians. Yep. Most of the Floridians here, they do not want to leave their house. Unfortunately, I had to leave my house, and I made the worst decision of going to a shelter. If you would like to take my advice, please do not visit a shelter. If you know a hurricane's coming, please save all your paychecks and go to a hotel. It is worth it. So let's see. It says free tree. Really? Free tree, some assembly apply. Really? Morning after Irma. I really like to know who. What? This is dumb. What? Just say free firewood. That's better effective as firewood. Irma is going to devastate the United States. Oh yeah, totally gonna devastate the United States. This man in the background's over here making it last. Just look at him. He's having a time of his life. He don't care. My dog out here saving lives. Why is this man sweeping the sand? He out here saving lives. What lives is he trying to save? This man looks like he's trying to sweep the sand or the water out the sea. This makes no sense. I There's no possible way that you could possibly blame Obama for this. But you know what? Have at you. You see, this is what I'm talking about. People can make like it is flooded, but he's out here making the most of his situation. Hey, you ain't got no power, no Wi-Fi, no computer. It's the next best thing. Entertain yourself. Welcome to Florida, Sunshine State. Governor Rick Scott open for business. Closed for remark. Really? Whoever read that is so petty. For real. Closed for remodeling. Irma. A cold one with the boys. Hurricane Irma. Y'all just having drinks in a flooded bar. Hey, each dollar goes towards repair and plus insurance. But nobody's gonna stop him from serving them drinks, and nothing's gonna stop those people from coming. Hey North Korea, hey Irma, North Korea is that way. Okay. All right. Yo, this Pepsi shit. Oh my God. Bruh. It says, please, Irma, please accept this offering. Holds up a Pepsi can. Uh, Irma Gerd. Yeah, there's nothing strange about the gigantic fallen tree behind you. For real? For real? This person's stupid. It's a sense of humor, alright? And directing Hurricane Irma, like. But okay, I can understand you're trying your best to airbender your way into like redirecting the storm. But what was the reason for the like horse head? Why? What's with this donkey head? I choose Volta. Yo, no lie, these little fishes right here, we used to catch those things back in my neighborhood, like in these little storm drains right here. Yeah, we used to catch these things all the time. Don't know where they went though, but I made sure that we caught them and we put them in a tank. We had about like 35 of them, and then we just let them go. But they were fun though. But you had to be careful because they had like spines on the side though. They were some type of catfish. Oh, dang. I really wonder what his mom is probably saying right now. Hey, it's funny. Yo, for real? Oh, but though those people in Texas, you know, I hope they're doing okay. But this is somewhat an accurate description. Like people in Florida, it's like, hey, we're surrounded by water. We're on a peninsula. It doesn't matter. But you know, people in Texas, they are, well, yeah. I mean, you can understand where I'm coming from with that. Houston Drake, Storm Chaser. That's so, man, people out here are just so ridiculous for real. Why are you out here? Why? What? Only the Avatar could stop Irma when Florida needed him most. He vanished. For real? You see what I'm talking about? For real? Oh man. It's as if I called it that this is what somebody was thinking. That's messed up. Really? Really, Coca-Cola? Is that you want us to share a Pepsi with the hurricane? Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'll accept. Totally accept. John Surfing. Sandy, Wilma, Matthew, Irma. Huh. Well, that was a very, very entertaining video. Thank you guys for watching. This has been Vibe Nation. And also, yeah, Irma wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Me living in the area I am, it wasn't as bad. It kind of like passed over as like a category 2 at least. It wasn't that bad. I thought it was gonna be much worse. All the kind of storm surges that they were trying. But then again, if you think about it, these what are they called? Meteorologists, I believe. or something. I don't remember the term, but if I'm using that term correctly, well, you know what I mean. Yeah, they pretty much have no idea how the storm's gonna react. So basically, we kind of cling to whatever they say by any kind of information whatsoever. But honestly, we're not even sure if they're even 50% sure of whether or not, because they said it's gonna pass over as Category 4. It wasn't even that bad. All we saw outside was just wind blowing, a little bit of rain, and that was it. When come to my car, I went to my car. My car was fine. Went back home. Power was on. No trees hanging. No nothing. It was fine. So really wasn't that bad. But you know, for the people in Key West, I hope you guys are okay. That you guys will be able to pick yourselves up in due time. But you know, Key West is taking the brunt of it, and it's really, really messed up. It'll be a while before I even get to go back there. So, send out all my hope and support for all of you guys down there. Thank you guys for watching. This has been Vibe Nation, and I will see you guys later. Peace.